Here we have a beautiful Abarth 595 and we protected it with a Pandora Mini BT. Now Pandora Mini BT is a Category 1 Thatcham approved alarm and immobiliser. So let me talk you through about the alarm system itself. So you could still use your factory remote to lock and unlock the vehicle, and that would arm and disarm the alarm system, but you do have to carry a unique tag that the Pandora system provides. Now, at the moment, the tags are not visible to the alarm system, so they're out of range, in effect. So I'm going to unlock the car, and it hasn't disarmed the alarm system. And the reason why the alarm system hasn't disarmed, because the alarm cannot see the tag. Simple as that. So I'm going to open the door, the alarm system is now going off. It has its own immobilisation, so if you come round here, I'll just show you that I'm not going to be able to start the car. So if I try to start it, I've got nothing there at all, it will not start. So what I'm going to do now is introduce the tag. Right, so that's the tag, and that's in relation to the actual key. So it's a small thing. So as long as that is in proximity, you could disarm the alarm system, like so, and if you come over here, you can start the vehicle. That's it, the vehicle's now started. So without that being with you, you cannot disarm the alarm system and you cannot get the vehicle started. So it's all about this tag. That's what's really important. So as long as you keep it away from the vehicle, so the alarm system cannot see it, and then it's fully protected. So if anyone uses like a skeleton key to get into the car, which is what they do at the moment, so they don't cause any damage, that's not going to disarm the alarm system and it's going to trigger the alarm system off. If they actually then use their devices to actually clone a remote and basically in effect have a remote programmed to the vehicle, they could unlock the door, but they still again won't be able to disarm the alarm system. If they try to bypass the factory immobiliser, which is what they normally would do, they'll bypass the Abarth's immobiliser, but they can't get around the Pandora immobiliser, so they still can't get it started. So the methods that they use to try to steal this vehicle will not work, because you have this alarm system which is an overlay on top of the factory system that's in there currently. But even though this does have a factory immobiliser, it doesn't actually have an alarm system at all. So that's why the immobilisation is important, because it's such a weak immobiliser that they have in place in standard. They take it away within seconds. So having an aftermarket immobiliser makes a massive difference, and this is best of both worlds. You've got an alarm system as well as a immobiliser. Now with the alarm system, as soon as they gain entry, the alarm system is going to activate and it's going to go off, and basically they've just made themselves aware of themselves. So if they're going to spend any time in the vehicle, they're making a lot of racket. And as you heard earlier on, how loud the alarm system is, and if they're doing it at night, people are going to know that there's something going on there. So good chances are they're not even going to go any further and leave your car alone. And that's the whole idea, is to keep your car protected. Now, additional to the fact that the alarm system will go off with you gaining entry to the vehicle, it also has a shock sensor, warn away shock sensor, tilt sensor, motion sensor. So any impact to it will trigger the alarm system off. If they try to jack the car up, will trigger the alarm system off. So as an alarm system, it is very comprehensive. It has all the sensors that most alarm systems you have to add as an extra. This comes with it as standard. You do have a Bluetooth app, and with the app, it actually tells you what's triggered the alarm system off. So if the alarm did trigger, you could go into the history of the app and it'll tell you exactly what's triggered the alarm system off, which is a really nice sort of thing to know, what's happened. And with the sensors, you could adjust the sensitivity of sensors on the app on top of that. So you don't have to actually go to the sensor and adjust it manually. So everything's done on the app, you can save it, it saves it onto the alarm system, and that's it, really simple to use. So just remember, this alarm system is all about this tag. So without this tag, or without this tag functioning, you will not get this car started and the alarm system will not disarm. So like I said, it's all about this tag. So that's the Abarth 595, where we've fitted the Pandora Mini BT, which is a Category 1 Thatcham approved alarm and immobiliser.